Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up CarPlay in your Nissan Sentra. First, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 7, 1 or later for compatibility. Then, connect your iPhone to the Sentra's USB port using an Apple-approved cable. This port is usually located below the Nissan Connect screen. Finally, ensure your car's infotainment system is fully powered on and loaded before plugging in your phone. Once connected, unlock your iPhone and navigate to the home screen. A prompt should appear on your iPhone asking to allow CarPlay. Tap Allow. Simultaneously, on your Sentra's infotainment screen, you might see a message asking if you want to use Apple CarPlay. Select Yes, or tap the CarPlay icon to begin the integration process. After connecting, you can personalize your CarPlay experience. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then General, and select CarPlay. Here, you can rearrange app icons by dragging them, or remove apps you don't want to see on your Sentra's display. You can also adjust notification settings to minimize distractions while driving, ensuring a safer and more focused journey. If CarPlay isn't working, first check your USB cable for damage. A faulty cable is a common issue. Try restarting both your iPhone and your Sentra's infotainment system by holding down the volume knob until it reboots. Also, confirm that Siri is enabled on your iPhone under Settings, then Siri and Search, as it's essential for CarPlay functionality. If issues persist, consult your Nissan dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.